if the 88 alarm appears on the screen. First, we need to check if there is a shortage of material in the material cylinder. If there is a shortage of materials, then we need to supplement the materials in a timely manner. Second, stir spinning round. Excessive material-water ratio. Gear setting too high. If the gear setting is too high, we need to adjust the up and down gears to make adjustments. Third, excessive ambient temperature. The ambient temperature used by the machine itself is between 10 to 32 degrees Celsius. When the ambient temperature is too high, will cause the machine to fail to reach 99 during prolonged operation. The machine cannot shut down normally, so there will be an 88 alarm. Fourth, we also need to check the fan. Check if the air inlet and outlet of the side panel are blocked. If it gets blocked, there will also be an 88 alarm. Fifth, various aspects of the usage environment, or using the condenser for a long time. There will be dust accumulation on this side. In this situation, need to use a brush to clean the dust thoroughly. In this way, we can solve the problem of the 88 alarm. Sixth, the compressor. We must check the condition of the compressor. If the refrigerant in the compressor is too low, there also will be an 88 alarm. Cooling faults may also occur. We can use a pressure gauge to detect the high and the low pressure of the compressor. It can be detected whether its refrigerant is too much or too little.